Friviality has 15 frivolous questions for you about Joe versus the Volcano. Directed by John Patrick Shanley and released in 1990. The movie opens with a large number of unhappy workers trudging through the mud to work. What song is playing? "16 tons. Joe, Tom Hanks, works in a miserable, bleak office, but he brings in what item to help improve the aesthetic? A colorful lamp. We learn that before working at the factory, Joe was a firefighter. When Joe sees Dr. Ellison, Robert Stack, he is told that he has only 6 months to live due to what condition? A brain cloud. After being diagnosed with a brain cloud, Joe returns to work and rebels. He turns a big wheel on the main drain, which does nothing. Meg Ryan plays which character in this movie? All of the above. When Joe travels to LA, he encounters Angelica Graynamore, who refers to herself as a flibbertigibbet. When Joe first meets Patricia, she intentionally calls him by the wrong name. What name does she repeatedly call him? Felix. Patricia Graynamore takes Joe on her father's yacht to travel to the island. We learn that Mr. Graynamore owns 2 of these yachts. What are their names? The Tweedledee and the Tweedledum. The island they are going to has a name that means little island with a big volcano. What is its name? Waponiwu. The Waponi have an obsession with what soft drink? Orange soda. When fishing off of the yacht, Joe unexpectedly catches what kind of animal? A hammerhead shark. A large typhoon appears and sinks the Tweedledee. What does Joe use to stay afloat? His steamer trunks. While floating on the steamer trunks, Joe is able to get fresh water from his violin case minibar. Joe enjoys playing what small instrument? A ukulele. Dan Hedaya plays Joe's awful boss, And also appears in what 1980s action movie? Commando. I know you can get the job, but can you do the job? Thanks for watching Friviality. Please like and subscribe for more frivolous content.